So before we begin today's tutorial, I want to talk a little bit about QGIS, the software we're using here. QGIS is formerly known as Quantum GIS, is an open source GIS software. I'm using it here because in my opinion, it's the second best GIS software available in the market. Well, just in case you're curious, the best is Azuri's ArcGIS, but the last time I checked, it costs about $1,500 per license, which means it's not for everybody. So that makes QGIS the best free GIS software. And QGIS has one advantage over ArcGIS, which is that it has a version for Mac OS. To import a vector layer, you go to Layer, Add Vector Layer, or press Command-Shift-V to open the dialog window. Inside the dialog window, there are two menus, Source Type and Source. At the moment, we don't need to change anything in the Source Type menu, but just in case your machine cannot read the vector data, change your encoding to UTF-8. Now, in the Source menu, click on Browse to locate your layer file. The vector data we're looking at here is an Azuri shapefile, which is one of the most common document formats for geospatial data. Usually, you download the vector data as a zipped package. After you unzip the package, make sure you do not move, delete, or rename any of the files, because they store projection information, binaries, and geometries, which are critical components of your vector data. Now this is important. In any case, you should not edit your GIS data outside the GIS software. Just FYI, QGIS can read many commonly used document formats such as CSV, KML, and GeoJSON. Now let's select and open Tucson boundary.shape. .shp is the extension for shapefile. After open the shapefile, you can access the layer property by right-clicking on the layer in the Layers window and then select Property. But we will stop here and discuss the layer property in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.